Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I feel like I say this every single video, every single time. I'm obviously just excited about every single thing, but today's video is a very exciting unboxing for me. Today's video is dedicated to my good friend Megan. Hey! Megan is like my skincare best friend. She just loves skincare. I love that she loves skincare. She does a lot of like lifestyle blogging and like skincare and stuff. So Megan actually wrote a blog post about a couple of the things that I'm going to show you in today's video. Coincidentally, I was actually going to message her about these products like a week before she wrote a blog post about them. So when she wrote the blog post, I felt like it was destiny, you know, destiny. So I went ahead and I bought a couple of the things that she had posted about, and I'm really excited to open them because it's been a long time since I've bought skincare. So this unboxing is a Dermalogica unboxing. This is my very first time ordering from Dermalogica. I've heard a lot about them. This is one of Megan's favorite brands. She always talks about this brand. I know this brand mostly through like influencers. So I know that Jackie Aina, she worked with Dermalogica a few months ago on their eye cream, and she also mentioned their sunscreen in one of her previous videos, and those are the two products that Megan also wrote a blog post about. So I was like, you know, destiny. I had heard of Dermalogica in the past, but I just never really looked into it. So I'm really grateful to Megan for inspiring me. I'm gonna say she inspired me to buy all of this stuff. As this was the first time I ordered from Dermalogica, I didn't really know what to expect so much, but I have to say I was pleasantly surprised. So first of all, when you sign up to their newsletter, they send you like a free gift or something, which I think is really quite impressive, because for a lot of companies, when you first sign up to them, they give you like 10% off your first order or like 15% off, which is really great. And obviously, you know, we like money off things, but I think sending like a free gift is just so cool. I think especially if like me, you are obsessed with skincare and you just kind of want to like, I think you low-key just collect skincare, so it's really great when they're offering to give you like free skincare, which I really like. So I got a free gift in here. I also got a sample. I think it was 1 or 2 samples I also got as well. You guys know how I feel about samples. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is the box that I have. Let's get straight into it. Okay, how do I open this box? So this is what it looks like when you open the box. You can see it says Dermalogica in it, and on the inside it says live your best life in your healthiest skin. That is really cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm almost like, I don't want to like Dermalogica just because I know that if I really like Dermalogica, then me and my bank balance are gonna have to have a serious conversation. And then I have my Dermalogica wrapping and whatnot in here. First of all, no way. Listen guys, I've just jumped to the... Anyway, let me get started on the actual things that I bought. So I bought 2 things, like I mentioned. I bought an eye cream and I bought a sunscreen. Now you guys know that I'm really loyal to my Nivea sunscreen, so I'm never really looking for new sunscreen. I always read about other sunscreens and I always think, yeah, whatever, like that will be good. But I've never really taken the plunge to actively get a new sunscreen. But Megan really recommended this sunscreen. She liked it. Jackie Aina also liked the sunscreen. So I figured, you know what, let me buy it. I'll just give it a go. If I don't like it, I can just go back to my Nivea sunscreen. Also, my Nivea sunscreen is running out. It's nearly finished. So I kind of feel like it made sense for me to buy another sunscreen. So I picked up the Invisible Physical Defense sunscreen. This is SPF 30. It is broad spectrum. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, and it's described as a weightless physical sunscreen. You guys know that I'm all about my SPF 50, so I kind of feel like it is a bit of a step backwards using SPF 30, but you know what, I will give it a try. My moisturizer is also SPF 30, so I kind of feel like SPF 30 and SPF 30, it may not be SPF 60, no, 80, but I can still get SPF 60, which is fine. This is formulated without artificial fragrances and colors or chemicals. This is cruelty-free, vegan and gluten-free. Wow. This is an invisible weightless defense that blends easily with skin, featuring ultra sheer zinc oxide. Say goodbye to thick white residue with this physical SPF formula that provides added blue light protection and helps smooth away the effects of environmental aggressors. Bioactive mushroom complex helps soothe skin and reduce UV-induced redness and dryness. Antioxidant green tea helps defend skin against free radical damage, ideal for all skin types, including sensitive. Guys, the moment I saw that it helps with blue light protection, I was sold. I don't know if you could hear that in my voice. Wow, okay. I kind of feel like fuck SPF 50. This seems really, really good. This will be really good, I think, also for when we're out of lockdown, quarantine, whatever, and we're taking public transport, because this does help protect skin against free radicals, which we hate. And this is also good for like dryness and redness. Obviously, guys, I don't really get red. There is one thing that Megan did say to me. She said that she needed to rub it in quite a lot. So that's definitely something that I'll be taking into consideration once I start using this. Oh my god, guys, I really want to start using this right now, but I won't. I'm gonna wait until my current sunscreen finishes, and then I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna do a first impressions video, morning skincare routine video, and all the rest of it, so you can see how I use this. And yeah, I'll keep you guys informed. I think this was £46. I need to double check, but this is definitely more expensive than my £6 Nivea sunscreen. This is actually £49, not £46. So wow, I'm really excited about this. It feels so cool in my hands. I love it. And then next up, I got their new eye cream. This is a brand new eye cream that I think only came out a couple of months ago. This was the eye cream that I saw on Jackie Ina's Instagram page. She was promoting this eye cream. This is the BioLUMIN-C Eye Serum. This is a brightening vitamin C eye serum, and it's supposed to give your eyes a boost. Nice. You can see that my eyes are a different color to the rest of my face. What's new? I did say while I was in Malta, when I went to Malta, that I was using the Fresh Black Tea eye cream, which I really loved, and I was actually going to order it again, but then I just forgot. I kind of just went about my life. But then a couple of weeks ago, I got, I don't know what you would call it, like a dye. I had some random thing on my eye that bruised my eye, so now like my right eye is really dark. I was noticing it in quite a few of my past videos. It's just so dark and a bit lumpy compared to the other one, and so I just realized, you know what, I need an eye cream, and I was gonna buy the Fresh eye cream, but then this eye cream serum came into the picture, so I bought this instead. Supercharged vitamin C eye serum outsmarts visible premature skin aging caused by daily eye movement and environmental stresses. Lightweight serum with nutrient-dense tremella mushroom and microalgae delivers a highly bioavailable vitamin C complex to the skin around the eyes to dramatically brighten and visibly firm. Listen, kids, I know I look young, but I don't look a day over 20, but you know, we need eye cream. I think especially for me, my eyes are just darkness, hyperpigmentation. I think that's like been the buzzword on this channel for the last couple of weeks. Definitely all issues that I have. I'm not really that fussed about my eyes being like a different color to the rest of my face, really, because most times, you know, I'm either wearing makeup to work or I'm just at home in my house, so I don't really care that much. But obviously it would be nice to not have such a contrast. And for my right eye that is a bit darker because of that dye I had a few weeks back, I feel like I just want to get the colour to be more normal to what it used to be. I will probably start using this a lot sooner than the sunscreen, just because I don't have an eye cream right now, and I definitely do want to like get a head start on my eyes. But you can see, I guess, like my eyes aren't really like that bad anymore. But if you go back and watch some of my last videos from like last month, then you will definitely see that I look like I've been punched in the face. But that was literally just a sty that I got. Really gross. So yeah, so that is this eye cream. This eye serum was £63. Ooh, was £63 if I remember correctly. So it's actually more expensive than the fresh eye cream. So I kind of feel like I should have just bought the fresh eye cream. But no, I'm really excited to use this because as much as I love Fresh, and you know, Fresh is my like #1 favorite skincare brand, I definitely do need to try out other skincare brands because maybe I'll find other products that work better for me and my skin. But I have high hopes for this. I kind of feel like because this has like proper active ingredients in it, I'm thinking that this might do something a bit more for me. Although that Fresh eye cream is actually really great. From what I'm seeing on the picture, it's got like a really funny looking nozzle on it, but I'm looking forward to getting into this. Now on to the freebies. I'm really excited about. I'm like, I have 2, maybe they sent me more things by accident, I don't know. I actually can't remember what I picked, and I didn't get a receipt, so I have no idea what these things are. So what is this? So I got this BioLUMIN-C serum, brightening vitamin C serum. I'm like, what is this? High performance serum enhances skin's natural defense system to brighten, firm and help dramatically reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Advanced biotechnology and an ultra stable vitamin C complex work synergistically to enhance bioavailability of vitamin C to fight oxidative stress and the appearance of skin aging before it starts. Optimized delivery system combined with a peptide and AHA renews for brighter, firmer, more radiant skin. Guys, why do I feel like I've just found my new favorite brand? There's something about all these words that's just like making my heart sing. This must be like the counterpart to the eye cream. Wow, guys, this I will definitely start using as soon as I can. I'm gonna wait until maybe like next week or the week after, once I've hit my 1 month of the Murad, that my skin is probably used to that, and then I'm gonna start using this. This is so cool. So this is like 4 different sachets. I imagine I can do like 1 sachet for 2 days, I think. I don't know. You guys will see me stress about this in an upcoming video. December 2020, I'm gonna be a whole new woman. You're gonna be like, oh my god, Alice, why are your dark spots? I will be a chocolate chip cookie no more once I'm done with all of this stuff. Then next I have, what the F is this? So this is, I don't even know what this is. This says meet Dermalogica on it. At Dermalogica, our passion for skin health borders on obsession. We know how to create custom skincare solutions that work not just today but for your whole life. We don't follow fleeting trends or buy into gimmicks. We work directly with skin therapists across the world to create products that get real results. Experience them firsthand with this collection of our most loved products. Wow. Do you know what? I feel like Dermalogica want you to become obsessed with them so that you buy like everything, because girl, you're doing too much. In this little bag, I have the special cleansing gel, the stress positive eye lift, the daily micro exfoliant, and the new skin smoothing cream. I think I might do like a skincare challenge. Ooh. This is literally everything you need to like get started on Dermalogica. They've got like an eye cream, face wash, face cream. They've got it all. So I'm gonna definitely do a Dermalogica skincare challenge, and I'm gonna film all of that stuff and show you guys how it all works. Oh my god, I really feel like, oh my god, no. Listen, me and my bank balance, we're gonna have serious words. I'm really excited about this. This is really cool. Probably all of you guys watching even know Dermalogica, and I'm the last one to join the dermo party, but indulge me, if you will. If you guys thought this unboxing was finished, you are so wrong. I have one more thing to share with you guys. Oh my god. This is literally Christmas. This is my idea of Christmas. And I kind of feel like this is what everyone's first order from a brand should look like. Just an endless supply of like opening things, because wow. And then last but not least, I have a dry and dull skin kit. This is a hormonal skin kit. This is your skin essentials to hydrate, nourish and minimize signs of skin aging. For me, my skin problem is my skin gets dry. We know this. It's not like top level, like flaky off skin dryness, although that does happen sometimes. I don't know, like a couple of weeks ago I looked in the mirror and I kind of looked a bit grey. I don't know if it's because I haven't really been outside that much, but I definitely know that sometimes my skin can just look a bit not popping, you know. So I decided to get this. I can't remember what other options they had, but I think this was like the best option for me. Also, I know I don't look a day over 16. Cringe, but you know, we're getting older, we're marching on the road to turning 30, so why not start delaying the signs of aging now, even though, you know, like I said, not a day over 16. Changes in season, older age and hormonal shifts such as menopause can cause skin to become dry and lackluster. Give skin a daily dose of skin nourishing formulas to fortify and replenish the skin's defensive barrier. Emollient-rich products fortified with plant oils and botanicals are great to replenish lost moisture and revive tired-looking skin. This selection of moisture-rich essentials address common menopausal skin symptoms, including dryness, loss of elasticity, and an acceleration in skin aging. Maybe I picked the wrong thing, because I'm not going through my menopause. Do you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to use this stuff anyway because whatever. My skin is dry regardless. Who cares? In this, we have an intensive moisture cleanser. We have an antioxidant hydra mist, a phyto replenish oil, and a super rich repair. Oh, this is really cute. So I've just got like lots of small minis in here. Girl, I've got so much skincare. I need to not buy any more skincare, but I've got my eye on some more things I'm gonna buy. I think I've got so much stuff here, so much stuff to use. I kind of feel like you guys are going to be seeing a lot of Dermalogica content over the next couple of weeks, months, because girl, I got a lot to go through. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this unboxing. Like I said, there are so many products here. There's so much stuff for me to use. I cannot wait to do my Dermalogica skincare challenge. I'm definitely gonna be jumping on to the eye serum and the sunscreen because your girl needs them, and then I think for the other stuff I'll just be showing you those over the course of time. Thank you, Megan, for putting me onto Dermalogica. Me and my bank balance are gonna have words later. I'm really excited about using all of this stuff. I just love discovering skincare brands and like actually using products from different brands and stuff. So this is definitely such a good day for me. In terms of their shipping and stuff, they shipped really quickly. I ordered this over Easter. If you order before like 2 p.m, then they will process your order that day. I ordered at around 4 p.m, which was why they did not process my order until later. So I bought this on the 9th of April, Easter Thursday. Easter Friday and Easter Monday were bank holidays, so I didn't receive this. I received this yesterday on the 15th of April because, like I said, I didn't order it before 2 p.m. If I'd have ordered it before 2 p.m, I would have received this on Tuesday. So all in all, I would say very fast delivery. All in all, I spent about £112 on the eye cream and the sunscreen, but I got these other free stuff. This Meet Dermalogica thing I think is worth £35. I also think this menopausy skincare dry and dull skin kit is also worth £35 or something. So I think money well spent. Yes, I feel like it's expensive. Not even gonna fluff about with saying pricey because it is expensive, but you know what, it's within my budget. I will see if they're worth it. I think just from this first unboxing I'm gonna buy from Dermalogica again because wow, they did not play at all. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I know you've got a skincare friend out there who wants to get more into skincare. They will love this video, I'm sure. I love this video already and I haven't even watched it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.